Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about VLC media player tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to rotate your video in VLC media player. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do, I'm going to use a particular video as an example. This video right here, I'm going to go ahead and press enter just to open the video in your VLC media player. That's the first thing you need to do. Hit enter. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about now having opened up the video. Let's say for instance this video here, I want to rotate it. What we want to do here is to make sure we come to the top right here. Make sure we go ahead and click on tool. Under the tool we go to effects and filters. The next thing we want to do right here is to go to video effects. Under the video effect we go to geometry. Under the geometry we come down below right and click on rotate. Just like what you see from the preview right here. So you can control the angle right here. Everything depends on you. Now let's say for instance this video here was mistakenly rotated this way. Okay, just like what you see right here. So if I click on close right here, you see that this video was upside down. So how can we easily return it back? We can easily go to view right here. We can easily go to tools right here. Effect and filter, then we go to video effects, geometry. Under the geometry, we can easily rotate right here. Depends on the angle we are looking at, as the case may be. So once you are satisfied with the video, then you are good to go. And keep on adjust until you maintain the right angle